In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage version history in Google Sites. If you've ever wished you could look back at earlier edits, compare what changed, or recover a layout that worked better, version history is your safety net. It quietly saves snapshots of your site over time, so you can review and, if needed, restore an earlier state with confidence. Start by opening your Google site in the editor. Make sure you're in edit mode, not just viewing the published site, so you can access all the controls. Once your site is open, look to the top right corner for the three dots menu. This is the More menu. Click it, hover over version history, and then select See version history. This opens a panel that lists saved versions of your site. You'll see your site's history organized by date and time. Each entry represents a snapshot that Google Sites captured as you worked. This timeline makes it easy to locate the point before a change was made, or to find the version that had a section or layout you want to bring back. Think of it as a time-stamped record of your progress. Click any version in that list to preview it. The main canvas will switch to show how the site looked at that moment. You're not editing this preview, you're simply viewing a snapshot. Take a moment to scroll through key pages, check images and text, and confirm that this is the exact state you want. If it's not quite right, you can click other dates and times to compare until you find the best match. When you're confident you've found the correct snapshot, restore it by clicking Restore this version. This action replaces your current draft with the selected version. Don't worry, restoring is reversible. The version you had before is still part of the history, so if you change your mind, you can come back to version history and restore the more recent one again. It's a safe way to roll back without losing your work. A couple of quick tips as you use this tool. If you don't see version history in the menu, make sure you have edit access to the site. Also, remember that restoring affects your draft in the editor. You'll still publish changes when you're ready to make them live to your audience. That's all there is to it. Open your site, use the three dots to reach version history, browse by date and time, preview the snapshot, and restore the one you need. With this workflow, you can experiment freely, knowing you can always go back.